So let me share a secret trick for increasing the font size, the display size, and increasing the readability of any app in Tab Mini C. Okay, some of you or many of you may already know it, but still let me call this a secret trick because this is not so obvious. So here is the first thing which comes into the mind when you see this. This is YouTube app, and these are all your suggestions, recommendations, and there are two videos, two thumbnails per row. But suddenly you think that this is a very small font size, given the fact that all the uh, kaleido screens are not very clear. So you have to increase the size or do something to make it clearer. So what you will do, first thing you will do is you will increase the clarity of the color and everything, add the text outline. So some people say that by doing so, the text will become more clear, and to some extent, yes. But then what you will do next? There are options like going into the YouTube settings and changing the size of the fonts. But still, after some limit, these things make the app messed up because the optimization if is not for unlimited size changes. So what is the hack? Yeah, let me call it hack, but it is actually not. It is simple thing. Go to the optimize, and in the display section, you can change the DPI size settings and increase it. But then many of you already have done this. What happens? It looks like nothing happens. The same thing, two videos are coming with the same size in every row. So I will say that you can keep increasing it up to the point that finally you see the change. Look, after around 400 or 390 something, you will see that suddenly the size of the video becomes totally full. That means now you are able to see it as if this is a handheld mobile, like this is an Boox Pama app. Look, this happens because the app is although not optimized for big font size, but it is optimized for smaller devices. For example, when you see the feed in your handheld phone, you hardly complain about the font being very small and you cannot see it, etc., etc., because it is optimized for that device, but not optimized for smaller, for bigger devices to make the font sizes larger. So when you change the DPI settings, obviously it is like telling the app that this is a smaller handheld phone, because dots per inches is what you are increasing the dots per inches. So the overall inch size of the device is informed to be smaller, although it is not. So what the app does is, the programming, the code of the app makes it optimized for your handheld device, and suddenly it appears full-fledged, uh, full width video thumbnail. So obviously you can see now the fonts are very big and you can scroll through them without having to trouble your eyes. So I hope you enjoyed this